plan looks at improving and enhancing the public transport network available to everyone in rural Ireland. Similar projects have been developed in the last couple of years, and we've really seen the benefits to local economies and communities, as well as to passengers, and seen the passenger growth as these projects have been implemented that increased the level of enhanced the network in counties and in regions as we developed timetables and increased frequencies for passengers. There's a great benefit to the environment in the expansion of the TFI Local Link network. The network will see a greater network and frequency of services, offering people more choices, and essentially people will move from the car to public transport. Of course, less cars on our roads means less emissions and better for everyone.
While we look at connecting Ireland as a strategy from the National Transport Authority nationally, Local Link plays an important part in bringing together various interests at a local level, including the local authority and the HSE, the university here in Kildare, but also local community interests, representation of older people, that we bring together those interests to identify, well, what are the key requirements for County Kildare in regard to transport and South Dublin, and how we meet those going forward into the future. Local Links Kildare South Dublin has provided the services for people to access opportunities in education, training, employment and social opportunities, access to public services, health appointments, a range of needs that weren't previously possible. It's been possible to do that by linking towns and villages through public transport services in an integrated way.
I believe our opportunities are probably placed within the biggest challenges that we face also, and aligned with the government's policy in regard to sustainable mobility and the reduction in greenhouse emissions. I think Local Link's biggest opportunity lies in allowing people to address the issues of car dependency on households in rural Ireland. And I think if we take this opportunity and if we design and build services in a manner that allows people to avail of services frequently and as they want them, that in itself should present the opportunity to reduce the dependency that exists currently on cars in rural Ireland. We can lay claim to having had the ability to expand services, to be willing to try new types of services, and to work on the model of build it and they will come. And the biggest contributors, I believe, to that success has been our staff, both our employed staff and our contracted staff. When you look at what our operators are doing for us every day of the week, being the front face of the TFI Local Link Kildare South Dublin services, we are extremely proud of that work and how it's done.